Emotional signs that the throat chakra may be blocked are feelings of depression, anxiety, or low self esteem. This can be worse by being incapable to express those feelings. A throat chakra blockage is frequently associated with the incapability to speak. Something needs to be said, but you just can't feel to work up the nerve to spare it out. Or you want to say something but find a lump in your throat or a catch in your voice. This imbalance may also manifest as a fear of speaking in public or indeed talking openly with people you know. Or maybe you may speak in a voice so low you can't be fluently heard. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Make Me Pure International. So before we begin, make sure to like our channel and to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it to keep yourself updated with our latest videos. So today we are going to discuss about the symptoms of throat chakra and how to heal throat chakra. So let's start. A blocked Vishuddhi chakra make you unintentional or unfit to speak up to defend yourself, express your opinion or state your voices. When difficult dialogues arise, you may shut down rather than speak up. While the throat chakra is associated with being silenced, and imbalance in the contrary direction may be gestured by a tendency to talk too important or ramble on without a clear point. You may tend to put your foot in your mouth, use improper language or make misstatements, however, dominating the discussions or demanding to have the last word. If you find yourself breaking in or talking over the people. Now, let us discuss the top 7 tips to open your throat chakra and sing your heart out again. The first tip is that slow down. Slow down and give yourself a break. For real. Walks, naps, Epsom, salt bath, pictures, meditate, read a book, hammocks, good for you stuff to help you relax until you feel more. Musician works overtime and they worry a lot. It's natural when you have a lot on your plate and it's grueling to make a living in music. Just one day of works wonder. Express what you unconsciously stuff down. It doesn't help you when you hold everything inside. When you try to handle everything or not to be a burden to anyone. Or perhaps it makes you uncomfortable to be vulnerable. But when you are blocked up, it is not going to get better by swallowing it. Matter of fact, it will get worse. At this time, your mind, body, or your throat is actually screaming for relief. You have to find ways to release the pressure, to vent a little. Perhaps share your thoughts with a close friend or journal a bit. Or if you have been holding stuff back from someone who needs to hear about it, perhaps you need to write them a letter or speak to them. Now, next point is journal writing, therapy, and meditation. When you have got a lot of stuff to deal with, it's easy to push it down. It's natural defensive medium in our psychics to numb out or push down what's too important. The best way to release or free up your throat is to write in a journal every day for just 5 minutes. Says what's really on your mind. Be honest. Make sure your journal is only for you to read. Perhaps get one with a lock key. It's a place where you can be unfiltered and get to the stuff that's under the surface. Share your wants, needs, frustration, indeed rage or deep sadness. Next is yoga and massage. Yoga is the best medicine for everything, mind, body and spirit. It soothes the beast of life, releases pressure, physical and emotional, that builds up and causes pressure. Go to yoga classes and snare some free yoga classes on YouTube and get some serious down dog. Twice a week minimum. And also go grab a hot stone or deep tissue massage. And also go and grab a hot stone or deep tissue massage. Heck, get a few. get those knots out of your shoulders and neck. You'll need the help, and it will help free you up over the long term. Blue crystal stones. Crystals and stones have magnetic and healing properties. They have been used for centuries to heal physical, emotional, and spiritual issues. Blue crystals' energy will open and balance the throat chakra. The dark shades of blue have the power of trueness. Lighter shades have the power of flexibility, relaxation, and balance. Try a blue crystal like azurite resonates not only with the third eye chakra but also with the throat chakra. It is believed to accelerate the mending of throat problems. Wearing an azurite pendant will spike your energy level while your immune system will be considerably strengthened. Azurite carries healing tracts for the central nervous system as well. The gemstone helps blood circulation as well as the rejuvenation of cells. A stone of life and grounding recollection, azurite is believed to help with relieving early Alzheimer's symptoms as well as soothing under neurodiseases. Azurite is also used in detoxification therapies to support the liver and kidneys as well as other internal organs vital for this process. So, my dear listener, there is a lot to tell and discuss about this topic, but we can't discuss everything in one video. Hence, feel free to contact to our counselor on the given number, or you can reach to our website www.makesmepure.com for more information. Don't forget to show your love for our video by liking on it, by commenting and subscribing our channel and pressing the bell icon next to it. Till then, see you in our next video. Please, have a nice day ahead. Good day. Thank you.